Hello and welcome to another cooking video. Today I'm going to show you how I make a Monte Cristo sandwich. Not entirely sure of the origins of this sandwich because I think it came from an American restaurant chain back in the 50s, but I think the original idea was French, and that goes back to the 19th century. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get on with it. So here are the ingredients that you'll need to make this. You'll probably find that most of them are already in your fridge, but they're certainly available at your local supermarket. Right, I'm just going to cut the rind off this is Gouda. So we've got a piece of Gouda cheese, which we're going to just it goes a bit hard on the edges. You can tell by the coloration. Right, we're going to grate this. Okay, that should be enough. So we've got a nice bit of Gouda there. Okay, so we've got some Gouda. Right, we need to make up some stuff that we put on the bread. The dog's waiting patiently. Right, we want 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And a tablespoon of Dijon Mustard. And we're going to mix it together. Where's your mother gone? Right, that'll do. I'm just going to mix this in. So that's that. Now we need a bit of ham. Okay, we now need some bread. What you want to do here is cut the crust off. That's 3 slices of bread. I'll do them separately. Right, 3 pieces of bread. Now what we want to do is spread these on. put that on thinly. Okay, I'm going to put a bit of cheese in there. Right, just 2 pieces. You put the cheese on, and then you put the ham on. This is actually thin cut ham. I don't know whether it's ideal for this, but we'll soon find out. Looks alright. Okay. Now we want a bit more cheese on both of them. Did just the right amount of cheese there by the looks of it. Right. So you've got 2 pieces of bread with the cheese, ham and then cheese. So they go on top of each other like that. And then you've got the 3rd piece of bread which has just got the mayo on it. That goes on there like that. Then you squish it down. Right, we need to squash this down, so I'm going to put a bit of tin foil over it, like so. Right, and then we're going to pop that there. That will squash it down. Right, the next trick is to break 2 eggs into here. I've got mustard everywhere. Throwing them all over the thing. Right, we're going to add how many? 4 tablespoons of milk. Basically it's 2 tablespoons of milk for every egg you break. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to mix that up. This takes a while. Right, you add a bit of paprika to that and some salt and pepper. Okay, so now we're going to get the pan ready. So we're going to take this off and put it on the griddle. And this should be flat. So we'll bring that over here. Now we're going to get the griddle hot, the fry pan. And what we're going to do is we're going to dip that in the egg mixture and fry it with some butter. Right, I'm just going to check the temperature of this. 93. Right, we're going to add a bit of butter, and add some butter to this. Once that's sizzling away, we're going to take this and put it in here. We're going to wrap it all the way around like that. We're going to turn it over. And then we're going to put it in the fry pan. See, the pan didn't get hot enough. Just leave that to go for a minute. Flip this again. It's all good. Supposed to be nice and crisp. I'll flip this again. Better. That's what it's supposed to look like. Now we also need to do the edges. So what I'm going to do is just pin it so they don't all fall apart. Should be okay. Okay, I want to do the edges now. So this might be interesting. I don't think I'll bother, it's going to fall apart. I'm supposed to do the edges. They don't look very safe. That'll do. I'm doing no more. Right, that's it. Dig it out, put it on a plate. Take the sticks out. Now, put it on here. I have to eat this with a knife and fork. And then we will cut it in half. There you have your sandwich. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I think in hindsight I should have had the pan a bit hotter. But never mind, we learn. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button. That would be very much appreciated and will help the channel to grow. And if you want to get notification of future releases, and I generally produce one about once a week, then please subscribe. Thank you very much for joining me today, and hopefully see you next time. Bye for now.